Hi everyone, my name is Lydia, and if you're new to my channel, this is the place where you don't have to start rich to become financially free. So thanks for stopping by today. And if you saw the quote in the beginning, of course nobody became a millionaire by investing in their savings accounts, but nobody stays a millionaire without one. So today we're going to talk about how to bulk up your savings account with automatic transfers, and I'm going to give you some special tips on how to beat inflation and possibly earn passive income with different types of savings accounts. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching today. I just want to let you know that I've been doing a giveaway from November 17th through December 25th, and we are approaching the final weeks of that, where for every new subscriber to this channel, I will give 25 cents to Save the Children Foundation. And we have already reached over 1,000 new subscribers, and I am so excited to post the results to my social media on December 26th. When you're thinking about investing, always look at the risks and always make sure that you feel comfortable doing what you're doing and talk to experts. I am not a financial advisor. Everything on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and to help you and inspire you on your financial freedom journey. I want to first talk to you about diversifying your savings. So when you download the free budget template, but basically in this spreadsheet will automatically calculate how much money you should be saving every single week. Now, there will come a point where you have more than 3 months of savings in your savings account, and that money is going to be losing value because it will not be able to keep up with inflation. So after you have about 3 months of savings, it's time to diversify. And what is a good way to diversify? One traditional way is through gold or IRAs, bonds, index funds, and I'm not going to talk so much about those today because, for example, annuities have a time frame value, and it's not exactly a savings account that you can access. There's often a time limit on when you can use the money. Gold is an interesting, not just gold, but gold, silver, palladium, platinum, and other precious metals are good forms of savings because generally and traditionally, I'd call it the old school style of hedging against inflation is through precious metals because they do tend to gain value over time, and enough value so that it outpaces the rate of inflation. So if you want to beat inflation the traditional way, definitely look into investing in precious metals. You can check out one of my videos I made here. And I also thought it would be fun to show you something. So you can see my budget on the screen, and I'm saving about $400 a week, and I have more than 3 months of expenses in my savings account, so I'm always looking for new things to buy with the money that I would otherwise be putting in my savings account that can keep up with or beat the rate of inflation. And something I saw this weekend, that this 10-ounce silver bar with the Aztec calendar on it looks so cool. I'm really excited to see what that looks like. And then also, I thought these were super interesting. My mom was making fun of me, calling me a pirate basically for buying all these coins, but I just think they're so cool. This Australia 1/10 ounce lunar tiger. I guess it's the year of the tiger coming up. I saw a lot of tiger coins being produced for 2022. The Solomon Islands, gold pyramids of Giza, the Statue of Liberty, and also, if you can't tell, I like tigers. I have a tiger tattooed on my arm right here. And then also the Ethereum silver round, and I thought that was kind of cool and memey because Ethereum is, they call it like the digital oil. I kind of think of it as digital silver in a way. Some might think Ethereum is actually more valuable than Bitcoin, but that's a conversation for another time. And I will talk about the risks and advantages of different types of savings accounts, because even your cash, as safe as it is in a bank account or stored as a digital asset, it still has risks because the FDIC only insures most accounts up to $100,000, which is why having an insurance product or an annuity product has a higher level insurance on the policy, and is usually safer in those types of policies, but also you can't access the cash immediately. Things like bonds as well, you don't have access to that cash when you need it. It's not such a liquid asset. And with cryptocurrency, which is what I will talk to you about in a minute as the modern way to hedge against inflation through platforms such as BlockFi and Celsius, and we're going to talk more about Celsius today, has its own risks, which are that you can have digital thieves, where it's probably more common now to get robbed by someone digitally than someone physically breaking into a bank and stealing all the gold inside the bank. So when you are choosing assets to hedge against inflation and how to diversify your savings and automate that savings every single week, try to think about what is your biggest risk and how you best want to manage that risk, either by putting it into crypto or buying gold or buying an IRA or bond. Let's get straight to the main event. This episode is brought to you by Celsius. You can earn up to 10% on your stable coins, and there are more than 10 different cryptocurrencies you can stake and earn interest on annually, and you could even potentially earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. If you use my QR code above, you will get $50 in free Bitcoin after depositing $400 of Bitcoin into your account and holding it there for 100 days. Also earn the most competitive interest rates on your cryptocurrency in the market. Go to celsius.network. You can see they have a beautiful website here, and when you want to sign up, use the QR code here to sign up, and that way we can both get free Bitcoin when you sign up. You'll have to go through a KYC identification process with your phone number, taking a picture of your ID so that the company can verify who you are. Now, the reason that I think Celsius is the best is because they most simply are, and that's based on their interest rates. They have the highest interest rates in the market right now on stablecoins, as well as many other cryptocurrencies available, such as Synthetics and Matic, Polkadot, and this is something that has advantages over other financial products because you have immediate access to your finances and it compounds weekly. This is something that is really amazing and that I plan to do. I am going to start an automatic transfer for $400 a week into this account and watch it grow. So there's some other examples of if you put $1.2 million into Celsius in USDC, you would be earning about $80,000 a year in passive income, and that's pretty cool. But then again, there's risks in everything that you choose to do. Like we talked about, gold can be stolen if you keep it in an unsecure location, or even if it's in a secured vault at a bank, the bank can still be robbed. There's always a risk with everything you do. Just like when you have your cash in your savings account, there's a risk that the value of that money will go down over time as it sits in your account. There's also a risk when you buy cryptocurrency that maybe you will get hacked, or that you would potentially have your password stolen by somebody who would be able to access your account and take your funds. Even though all of Celsius assets are collateralized and verifiably so, and they have survived all the ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market, the drawback to having a money services business or an MSB is that it's not FDIC insured like your bank account would be, and many other financial accounts such as life insurance policies or annuities and things that you get from insurance companies are very well protected by even larger insurance companies, which is why it's such an attractive investment for the long term. But when we're talking about our savings and we want to have a liquid asset, the opportunities offered by companies such as Celsius is pretty significant now and for the foreseeable future for people who want to save money, want to beat inflation, and possibly have access to their money before they hit 65 or what is designated as retirement age. If you have the income, I highly suggest doing everything that you can, that is investing in the market, buying annuities, having a cash savings account, having precious metals, having cryptocurrency, having real estate, and all of the different videos on this channel. You will get various tips and guides on how you can diversify all of your investments and become financially free, even if you're not already a millionaire. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you think this information would be useful to someone you know, please share it with your friends and family. And if there's any thoughts you had and you want to share, let me know in the comments. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And wait, no, hang on. How can I say that better?